Hello everyone, today I am here to explain you what is insurance policy. The insurance policy is a contract, generally a standard form contract between the insurer and the policy holder, which determines the claims which is the insurer is legally required to pay in the exchange of for an initial payment known as a premium. The insurer promises to pay for loss caused by perils covered under the policy language. Insurance contracts are designed to meet the specific needs, and thus they have many features not found in many other types of contracts. Since the insurance policies are standard forms, they feature boilerplate language which is similar across a wide variety of different type of insurance policies. The insurance policy is generally an integrated contract, meaning that it includes all forms associated with the agreement between the insurer and the insured and the insurer. In some cases, however, the supplementary writing such as letters sent after the final agreement can make the insurance policy a non-integrated contract. While insurance textbooks state that generally court consider all prior negotiation or agreements, every contractual term in the policy at time of a delivery, as well as those written afterwards as a policy rider and the endorsement with both parties consent are the part of the written policy. The textbook also state that the policy must refer to all papers which are part of the policy. Oral agreements are the subject to the payroll evidence rule and may not be considered the part of the policy if the contract papers appear to be whole. Advertising materials and circular are typically not part of the policy. Oral contracts pending the issuance of a written policy can occur, and here are some another explanation of that. There is some structure that I'm going to explain of the insurance policies, that is general features and structure, the part of insurance contracts, industry standards, and after that we're going to explain references and the general features. The insurance contracts or agreement is the contract whereby the insurer promises to pay benefits to the insured or on their behalf to a third party if a certain defined event occur, subject to the fortunate principles that event must be uncertain. The uncertain can be there to when the event will happen. Life insurance policy, the time of the insured death is uncertain or as to if it will happen to all. Like fire insurance policy, but whether not or a fire will be occur at all. Insurance contracts are generally considered the contracts of adhesion because the insurer draws the contract and insurer has little or not ability to make a material changes to it, and the interrupted to that insurer bears to the burden if there is any ambiguity in the terms of the contract. Insurance policy are sold without the policyholder even seeing a copy of contract. In 1917, Robert Caton suggested that many courts were actually applying reasonable expectations rather than interrupting ambiguities, which he called a reasonable expectation doctrine. The doctrine has been very controversial, with some courts adopting it and other expectly rejecting it. Okay, so we'll discuss the another part of this insurance policy in the next video. So tata, bye bye, assalamu alaikum.